English term for ulan? Ha? What's the English for ulan?
Rain.
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 What's the English term for umuulan?
Bagyo.
Raining.
Raining.
Kapag ka sinabing umuulan, yung pagka-action, verb yun, tawag yung verb. May ing. Raining.
Like, pag nagsayaw ka, anong English ng sayaw? Anong English ng sayaw? Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Naku.
Dance.
Oh. Pag sumasayaw,
Dance.
sabi ni Tita Farah, lalagdagan ng ing. O ano lang nangyayari? Ano ng English?
Dance.
Magdadance. Ing dance ka ba mo? Ing dance. Dancing.
Dancing.
Kunwari, sabihin ko sa'yo, let's dance. Ibig sabihin nun, sayaw tayo.
Okay.
Tapos, kapag ka nagsasayaw na tayo,
Let's dance.
we are dancing.
Let's
Kaya,
dance.
let's dancing. Let's dancing ourselves to the tune of
Ano yun?
tsura niya.
Tagalog naman yun, hindi yun English.
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 English? Ay, mama mo natutunan yan, oh.
Like and subscribe.